एक अभ्यास है जो व्यक्ति की शारीरिक स्थिति और ज़रूरत के अनुसार किया एवं कराया जाता है। यदि आप योग के लिए नए हैं तो अभ्यास से पहले अपने डॉक्टर से परामर्श अवश्य लें।
Close your eyes, focus your mind. Inhale deeply. Om. गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारिणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम् षडाननं कुङ्कुमरक्तवर्णं महामतिं दिव्यमयूरवाहनम् रुद्रस्य सूनुं सुरसैन्यनाथं मुहं सदाहं शरणं प्रपद्ये या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतपे देवै सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये निष्प्रपञ्चाय शान्ताय श्री शिवानन्दाय ते नमः। श्री विष्णुदेवानन्दाय ते नमः। ॐ सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम बोलो सदगुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय। ओम बोलो स्वामी विष्णुदेवानंद महाराज की जय। ओम तत्सत। Om Namah Shivaya. Good morning. So let us begin the class with Kapalabhati, one longish round. For Kapalabhati, make sure that your back is straight, shoulders face relaxed completely, both the hands in Chan Mudra, eyes are softly closed. Focus your mind. Now take a deep breath first. Inhale. Exhale completely. To begin Kapalabhati, inhale comfortable deep breath and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, T1, 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 2. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Once again, inhale, deep, long breath, stretch your spine straight. And exhale, completely empty the lungs. Now for the retention, inhale, comfortable, deep breath, and hold for the next 50 seconds comfortably. Relax the body, keep your spine straight, roll back the shoulders. Very nice. With control, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Once again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Now prepare for the pranayama. Change your right hand into Vishnu Mudra. Left hand remains in Chin Mudra. Spine is straight. Relax the shoulders completely. And throughout the practice, keep your eyes closed, focusing your mind inwards on a mantra or simply visualizing the form of your favorite deity. Or simply chant Om. Now, a deep breath through both the nostrils. Inhale. Exhale completely. Block the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale through the left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Close both your nostrils and hold your breath comfortably. Exhale to the right. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Close and hold. Exhale to the left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Hold. Exhale to the right. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Close. Exhale through the left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Inhale left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Close and retain the breath comfortably. Keep your mind focused, either in between the eyebrows or in the heart region. Still the body. Exhale to the right. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Inhale right. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Hold. Exhale to the left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Close. Exhale to the right. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Inhale right. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Close. Exhale to the left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Last round. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Close. To the right. Exhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Inhale right. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Close the nostrils and retain the last retention. Exhale through the left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8. Now gently drop the hand. No unnecessary movements of the body, still the body. Internalize your mind. Sit in the meditative posture for a few seconds. Realizing the inner silence, the change in your breathing pattern. Now, without disturbing the body much, slowly stretch out the legs and lie down in Shavasana. Relax the body. Breathe natural abdominal breath. Feel the abdomen rising up while you inhale. And feel it going in while you exhale. Release the tension through exhalation. Do not allow the mind to go anywhere. Be with your body, breath, and relaxation. Now slowly join your legs. Inhale, stretch the arms up over above the head, interlocking the fingers. Stretch your body nicely. Push the toes out, pull them in, stretch. Exhale, release. And now gently turning to one side, slowly sit up. And then stand on the top of the mat, preparing yourself for Surya Namaskar, the sun salutation rounds. Stand with the feet together. If comfortable, join the toes as well. Arms are relaxed, shoulders relaxed completely, chin palm to the floor. Close your eyes for a while, feel the balance of the body. Now to begin the first round, take a deep breath and exhaling, bring your palms together in a prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up, lengthen the spine, stretch as much as you can, and then arch the back. Extend your spine nicely without bending the knees. Exhale, bend forward and down all the way. Fingers in line with toes. Relax your neck completely. Inhaling, stretch the right leg back. Drop the right knee and stretch the right foot out. Look up, opening the chest. Retain your breath. The other leg also back. Body in a straight line. Heels, hips, head, one line. Exhale, drop the knees, chest, forehead on the mat, hips are off the ground, toes still tucked in for the next step. Inhale, slide the body forward using your toes, head up, chest up, and arch your back into a good cobra position. Keep your shoulders absolutely relaxed. Exhale, tuck the toes, push yourself into inverted V. Push the heels down, look at the toes. Inhale and bring the right foot forward between the hands. Drop the left knee and stretch the left leg nicely. Exhale, the left leg also forward. Head to the knees, chest close to thighs. Relax the neck completely. Inhale, stretch your arms forward, up, lengthen the spine, and then arch back, extending the spine. Exhale, release. Very nice. We'll go for the other side now. Inhale deeply, and while exhaling, bring your palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up and arch the back. Exhale, bend forward and down all the way, fingers in line with toes, relax the neck. Inhaling, take the left leg back this time, drop the left knee and stretch the left foot out. Retain your breath, the other leg also, back, body in a straight line. Exhale, drop the knees, chest, forehead on the mat, hips are off the ground. Inhale, slide forward, head up, chest up, and arch the back. Exhale, tuck the toes, inverted V. Inhale, bring the left foot forward. Exhale, the right foot also forward. Inhale, stretch forward, up, and then arch the back. Exhale, release. Second round. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch up and arch. Exhale, bend forward and down. Fingers in line with toes. Inhale, take the right leg back. Retain the left leg also back. Exhale, drop your knees, chest, forehead. Inhale, head up, chest up, arch, stretch your feet out. Exhale, tuck the toes, inverted V. Inhaling, bring the right foot forward between the hands. Exhaling, bring the left foot also forward. Inhaling, stretch your arms forward, up, arch. Exhale, release. Left side now, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up and arch the back. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhaling, take the left leg back. Retain the right leg back. Exhale, drop your knees, chest, forehead. Inhale, head up, chest up, arch. Exhale, tuck the toes, inverted V. Inhale, the left foot forward between the hands. Exhale, the right foot also forward with the left foot. Inhale, stretch your arms forward, up and arch the back. Exhale, release. Third round. Inhale, exhaling, palms together. Inhale, stretch up and arch back. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhale, the right back. Retain the left one also back. Exhale, drop the knees, chest, forehead. Inhale, head up, chest up, arch into cobra. Exhale, tuck the toes, inverted V. Push the heels down, look at the toes. Inhale, bring the right foot forward. Exhale, the left foot forward. Inhale, stretch your arms forward, up and arch. Exhale, release. Left side. Inhale, exhale, palms together. Inhaling, stretch your arms up and arch the back. Exhale, bend forward and down all the way. Inhaling, take your left leg back. Retain the right leg back. Exhale, drop your knees, chest, forehead. Inhale, head up, chest up, arch. Exhale, tuck the toes, inverted V. Inhale, the left foot forward. Exhale, the right foot forward. Inhaling, stretch your arms forward, up, arch. Exhale, release. Fourth round. Inhale, exhaling, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up and arch the back. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhaling, take the right leg back. Retaining your breath, the left leg also back. Exhaling, drop the knees, chest, forehead in that order. Inhale, slide forward, head up, chest up, arch back, stretch your feet out. Exhale, tuck the toes, inverted V. Inhale the right foot forward. Exhale, the left foot also forward. Inhale, stretch your arms forward, up and arch. Exhale, release. Left side now. Inhale deeply and exhaling, bring your palms together in a prayer position. Inhale, stretch up and arch the back. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhaling, take the left leg back. Retaining the right leg back. Exhale, drop the knees, chest, forehead. Inhale, head up, chest up, arch. Exhale, tuck the toes, inverted V. Inhale, the left foot forward. Exhale, the right foot forward. Inhaling, stretch your arms forward, up, arch. Exhale, release. Fifth round, last round. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up and arch the back. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhale, the right leg back. Retain the left leg back. Exhale, drop the knees, chest, forehead. Inhale, slide forward, arch back. Exhale, inverted V, push the heel down. Look at the toes. Inhale, bring the right foot forward. Exhale, the left foot forward. Inhaling, stretch your arms forward, up and arch. Exhale, release. Last set of stretches on the left. Inhale deeply and exhaling, bring your palms together in a prayer position. Inhale, stretch up and arch the back, extend your spine. Exhale, bend forward and down, Padasana. Inhaling, take the left leg back, stretch the left leg. Retain the right leg back, plank position. Exhale, drop the knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, slide forward, head up, chest up, arch, cobra. Exhale, touch the toe, inverted V, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, left foot forward. Exhale, the right foot forward. Inhaling, stretch your arms forward, up and arch the back. Exhale, release. Legs apart, relax the body for a while. Normalize your breath, normalize your heartbeat, and feel the energy, feel the heat in the body. After 5 rounds, the body is now geared up for the session. Now join your feet, shift the body weight onto the toes, stretch your arms forward, and slowly on the reverse counting of 10, start coming down, bending the knees. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll back into Shavasana. Relax the body. Let go of all the tension. Legs are apart, arms are away. Release the tension. Breathe with awareness. Feel the abdomen rising up while you inhale, taking the pranic energy in the body, and feel the abdomen going in while you exhale, taking out all the tension through outgoing breath. Breathe and relax. Do not let the mind go anywhere. Be focused. Slowly join your legs. Stretch your arms up or above the head. Interlock the fingers. Lengthen your spine, lengthen the body. Stretch. Exhale, release. Now get ready for the leg raising. The final part of the warm-up. Join the legs, push the heels out, pull the toes inwards to feel the stretch in your hamstrings and the calf. Chin to the chest. Once you're ready, inhale, lift the right leg up as high as you can without bending any of the knees. Exhale down. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale the right leg up. Knees up straight, push the heels out. Exhale down. Inhale the right leg up. And now hold the leg from behind the thigh. Pull the leg closer to the body. Exhale, head up, chest up. Walk your hands upwards. Try to reach the ankle. Pull the leg closer to the body. Make sure that you're not bending any of the knees. Knees are straight. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and feel the stretch in the calves. Keep breathing. Inhale, release. Now bend the right knee. Wrap your arms around the shin. Press your thigh against your abdomen. And next exhalation, lift your head up, chest up once again. Reach the knee, the toe with the nose. Inhale, release. Stretch the right leg up. Exhale, down. Let us go with the left side. Inhale the left leg up and hold it. Interlock the fingers behind the thigh or the calf, not behind the knee. Pull the leg closer to the body. Exhale, head up, chest up. And now you can walk your feet, walk your hands up, close to the ankles. Pull the leg closer. Feel the stretch. Make sure that your right leg is absolutely straight. Right knee is pushed down. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch in the hams. Inhale, release. Bend the knee. Wrap your arms around the shin. Press your thigh against your abdomen. Exhaling, head up, chest up. Reach the knee. Once again, stretch the back of the neck. Press your thigh against your abdomen. Give a massage to the internal organs. Inhale, release. Stretch the leg up and exhaling, bring it down slowly. Now shake your legs. Take a couple of deep breaths. We'll go for the double leg raising to work on the core muscles. Now once again, push the heels out, pull the toes in, chin to the chest. Choose your arms position as per the strength of your core or as per the condition of your back. Once you're ready, inhale, lift both the legs up. Do not lift the tailbone, not beyond the 90-degree angle. Exhale, down. If possible, don't touch the mat. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 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 Inhale, up. Stay there. Hold, keep breathing. Keep the knee straight, push the heels out. And now on the reverse counting of 10, slowly bring the legs down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the legs and relax. Legs are apart, arms away. Let go of all the tension from the body and the mind. Yoga is all about awareness. Be aware of the activity you're doing. Do not let the mind go anywhere. Slowly join your legs. Once again, inhaling, stretch your arms up, interlock the fingers, stretch the body nicely. Exhale, release. And now gently turn to one side and sit up. Go to the child pose, Balasana, in the rear portion of the mat. Relax the body completely. Arms are to the side of the body. Elbows resting to the mat. Wrists are closer to the feet. Forehead on the mat. If your buttocks are not reaching the heels, make a fist of the hands. Place one fist over the other. And then rest your forehead on the fist. This asana prepares you for the first inversion, that is the headstand, Shirshasana. Inhale, head up, chest up. And now get ready for Shirshasana. Those who cannot do the Shirshasana because of some physical condition, they can go for the dolphin push-ups. Measure the arms, drop the elbows about 1.5 feet away from the knees, interlock the fingers, tuck the toes, straighten the knees, lift the hips, and exhaling, come forward. Try to reach the mat with the chin without touching the body. Inhale, go back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, go back. Try to push the heels on the mat. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. Do it 10 times at least. One round of 10 push-ups. And then you can go to the child pose. And thereafter, you can try the headstand if you're comfortable. Go for the half headstand or the full headstand, following the steps. And for the headstand, measure the arms. Drop your elbows at a close distance from the knees. Interlock the fingers loosely. Drop flatter portion of your head on the mat. Your fingers are not under the head, they are behind the head. Tuck the toes, straighten the knees, and walk forward with straight legs. One knee is bent, then the other one. Stay in half headstand, hold the posture. And then slowly, when you're comfortable, straighten from the hips, balancing the body, shifting the back slightly back or forward. Find the place where you can balance yourself perfectly. And once you're there, then you can straighten the knees also up into headstand. Stay for 1.5 minutes more. If you're not comfortable with the headstand, you can go for a couple of rounds of dolphin push-ups. Even if you're comfortable in half headstand, stay there. Do not try to go to the full headstand. Staying in each position is very important. Once you get used to it, then you will automatically be able to straighten the legs. Stay in the half headstand without trying anything. Be there. Half headstand also gives you many benefits. Those who are in the headstand can try a variation of the choice. Either separating the legs, bringing them together, or make a Caesar, right leg forward, left leg back, and reversing. Simple variations. Now slowly come out of the headstand and relax in child. Inhale, head up, chest up, and lie down in Shavasana. Relax the body. In supine position, on your back, legs are apart, arms are away. If you have any tension in your neck, roll the head to the right, to the left. A couple of times, and then relax. Once again, join your legs. Stretch the arms up. Give your body a good stretch once again. Exhale, release. And now get ready for the shoulder stand. Sarvangasana. So keep your arms to the side of the body, elbows as close to the ribs as possible. Keep your legs and feet relaxed completely, but keep them together. Slightly stretch the back of the neck, bring your chin to the chest. Once you're ready, inhale, lift your legs up, hips up, and trunk also up, and immediately support the back. Now, if you need to make an adjustment, do so. Close your eyes. Focus. Meditate in the posture. Now prepare yourself for Halasana. Inhale deeply. Exhaling, drop the right leg down. Try to take your right foot down on the mat behind the head. Inhale up. Exhale the left leg down. Inhale up. Exhale the right leg down. Inhale up. Exhale the left leg down. Inhale up. Now slowly with control, exhaling, drop both the legs down. Once you touch the floor with the toes, you can release the support from the back, either interlock the fingers, stretch your arms, or simply place your arms on the mat. If you do not touch the mat with the toes, keep supporting the back. In the posture, make sure that your knees are straight. Relaxed, comfortable breathing, no stress. Now to come out of the posture, support the back once again. Raise your legs into Sarvangasana, the shoulder stand. And now bend your legs from the hips 45 degrees again. Release the support, place your palms on the mat, and slowly unwind yourself vertebra by vertebra without lifting the head. Come down, use your core strength, core muscles to bring the leg down slowly. Legs are apart, arms are away. Relax the body for a while. Let go of all the tension. Gently roll the head side to side if you have any tension in the neck. Now, slowly join the legs again. Stretch the arms up, over above the head. Interlock the fingers. Give a stretch to the body. Exhale, release. And now get ready for the fish, Matsyasana. Take your arms underneath the body, palms facing down, under your thighs or under the hips. Squeeze the shoulder blades and open the chest so that your elbows are closer to each other under the body. Keep your legs and feet absolutely relaxed, no tension in the legs or the feet. Once you are ready, inhale, lift the head up, chest up, and look at the toes. Shift the weight onto the elbows and readjust the position of the elbows if you need to. Bring them closer to each other. And now maintaining the position of the chest, slowly drop the head back and down. Let the crown of the head reach the mat, but barely touching it. Do not shift any weight on the head. Just about maybe 10%, not more than that. Every inhalation, try to expand your chest to the optimum capacity. And every exhalation, let the abdomen also go in. Expel all the air out. Increase the blood circulation by deep, long breaths. Expand your chest. And now to come out of the posture, once again inhale, lift the head up, chest up, look at the toes, and slowly release the posture. Take your arms out from under the body, make a fist of the hands and rotate your fist in and out a few times. Shake your arms, shake your fingers, and relax in Shavasana. Gently roll the head side to side once again to release the tension from the neck. Om. Once again, join your legs. Inhale and stretch your arms up. Interlock the fingers and stretch the body. Please stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. And if you're comfortable, if you have good core strength, place your palms on your thighs. Sit up. If you're not, turn to one side and sit up slowly. Stretch your legs forward. We will go for the classical sitting forward bend. Paschimottanasana. Press the palms close to the hip bones. Stretch the trunk up. Stretch the spine straight. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. Neck in line with the spine. Inhale. Stretch both your arms up. Stretch the body from right, left, center. And maintaining the stretch. Exhale. Bend forward from the hips. Try to keep your back as straight as you can. Hold on to the big toes, ankles, shins, or knees, wherever you reach. The point is to keep the back as straight, neck in line with the spine, and bending forward from the hips. You are literally folding the body from the hips. And once you're settled in the posture, relax the body and breathe comfortably. This is a posture of surrender. Surrender yourself to Mother Earth. Breathe, meditate. Now to come out of the posture, inhale, stretch your arms forward and slowly up. Exhale, release. Take your arms behind the back. Fingers are pointing away from the body. Drop the head back. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Open the chest. For the counter posture, Purvattanasana. Inhale, lift the hips up. Lift them as high as you can take. Make sure that you're not bending the knees, pushing the toes out. Try to reach the toes onto the mat. Open the chest. Drop the head back. Exhale, release. And now lie down in prone position on your chest and abdomen. Make a cushion with your hands and rest right or the left cheek on the cushion made with the hands. This is called Makarasana, crocodile posture. In crocodile posture, make sure that your big toes are touching each other. Heels are flared apart, like an open book, just like an open book. Relax the body and feel your abdomen working towards your relaxation. Every inhalation, abdomen pushes the mat, lifting the spine. And now prepare yourself for Bhujangasana, the first backward bending asana. Place your hands underneath the shoulders. Make sure that tips of the fingers are not crossing the top line of the shoulder. Forehead on the mat. Once you're ready, inhale, lift the head up, chest up, and arch your back. Make sure that your knees, heels, toes are together. The entire focus is on the lower back. Elbows are relaxed, shoulders are relaxed. Use the back strength to come up instead of using your hands. Stretch. We are doing it only once. Hold the posture. Exhale, release. And relax once again. Turning the head to the other side. Rest on the cheek on the cushion made with your hands. Now, for the second and last backward bending asana. Bend the knees and hold the ankles. Forehead is on the mat. We are going for Dhanurasana, the bow pose. Once you're ready, inhale, lift your head up, chest up, and thighs also up. Try to keep your knees as close to each other as possible. This will give you a better extension in the spine. Keep your arms straight. Look up, roll the eyes also. Feel the extension of the spine. The entire spine is getting good extension now. And feel the frontal muscles being stretched. Keep breathing. And one final pull up. Exhale, release. And now place your palms underneath the shoulders. Give yourself a good cat stretch coming into tabletop position first. Then round the back and go to the child pose. Relax. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Relax arms to the side of the body. Inhale, head up, chest up. Now let us go for the spinal twist. Sit on the right. Bring the left foot over the right knee. Hug the knee to the chest. Stretch the spine straight first. Now inhale, stretch the right arm up. Stretch the right side nicely. Twist the body towards the left. And bring your right armpit over the left knee. Hold on to the left ankle. If you don't reach there, just hold on to the right knee. Make sure that your spine is straight, neck in line with the spine. Close your eyes and feel the twisting happening there. Feel the vertebrae opening up sideways. Feel the ligaments getting contracted on one side and extended on the other side. Now to come out of the posture, inhale, stretch the right arm up. Exhale, release. Now switch the side, sit on the left. Bring the right foot over the left knee. Inhale, stretch the left arm up. And exhaling, twist the body clockwise towards the right. And bring your left armpit over the right knee. Hold on to the right ankle, over the left knee, and take your right arm behind you, close to the spine without leaning on it. Close the eyes. Give an even twisting to the spine. Do not twist one part more than the other. Every exhalation, try to twist a little more. Every inhalation, try to stretch the spine straight. Om. Now to come out, inhale, stretch the left arm up. Exhale, release. Now hug your knees to the chest. For the counter posture, wrap your arms around the shins. Drop your forehead. Round the back a little to relax it. Inhale, look forward and up. Stretch up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Back to the center. Turn the head to the right, to the left, and back to the center. Now get ready for the balancing posture. If you're comfortable doing the Kakasana, go ahead. If you're not comfortable, go for the tree pose. In Kakasana, splay the fingers. Place your hands as wide as the shoulders, just below the shoulders. Squat on the toes and bending the elbows, resting your knees or the upper part of the shins on the upper arms. Shift the body forward, fixing a focal point ahead of you and balance. If you're in the tree, make sure that you're stilling the body. If you can, close the eyes. And now change the side in the tree. And if you come down after the crow, you can try the crow again. and release the posture. Stand on the top of the mat. Get ready for Padasthasana. Uttanasana or Padasthasana it is called. Be on the top of the mat. Arms to the side of the body. Inhale. Stretch both your arms out. Stretch the body from right, left, center. Stretch, stretch. And now maintaining the stretch. Exhale. Push the hips back. Arms forward. Bend the body from the hips without rounding your back. Either hold on to the big toes, place your fingers under the toes, catch hold of the ankles, or interlock the fingers behind. But make sure that your knees are straight. Push the knees back, push the hips up, relax your neck. Use your exhalation to bring the chest closer to the eyes. Now coming out of the posture, let the arms hang loose just like gorilla arms or just like an elephant trunk. And unwind yourself vertebra by vertebra. Head will be straight in the last. And now separate the legs for the counter posture. Place your hands on the hips. Drop the head back. And without bending the knees, inhale and arch back. Push the hips forward. Exhale, release. And now let us go for the last asana of the session, Trikonasana. Face the camera, separate the legs, separate the legs at least double the shoulder width, minimum double the shoulder width, or 3 to 4 feet apart. Now aligning the heels, point the right foot out. Inhale, stretch the left arm up nicely, stretch the left side nicely. And exhaling, bend towards your right, bend towards right, and slide the right hand along the leg. Try to reach down to the ankle, but make sure that you're not twisting the hips. Hips are facing the front. Your left arm is straight in line with the trunk, left palm facing down, neck in line with the spine, slightly looking up. Open the chest. Take your left shoulder back, right shoulder forward. Inhale, up on the other side. Now, left foot is out, right is in. Inhale, stretch the right arm up. Stretch the right side nicely. And maintaining the stretch, exhale, bend the body sideways to the left. Take your left hand along the leg. Try to reach the ankle or the toes, wherever you reach. But make sure that your hips are facing the front, knees are straight, neck in line with the spine as I mentioned. Slightly turn the head upwards, look over the armpit. Keep breathing, feel the stretch on the side. Feel the little bend of the spine. Inhale, up. And now you can jump the feet together, getting ready for the final relaxation. Come on the top of the mat, arms to the side of the body. Shift the body weight onto the toes and stretch your arms forward. Balance the body first. And now slowly on the reverse counting of 10, start bending the knees and coming down. Bend the knees 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll back into Shavasana. Legs apart, arms away, relax in Shavasana. Now we will quickly go for tensing and relaxing of the muscles. Inhale, lift both your legs a few inches off the mat. Stretch your feet out, push the heels out, stretch the feet, push the heels. Exhale, drop. Inhale, lift the hips, only the hips, squeeze the buttock. Exhale, drop. Inhale, push the lower back to the mat, push, push. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift the chest up, squeeze the shoulder blades. Exhale, release. Lock the chin to the chest. Stretch the back of the neck. And release. Inhale, lift both your arms a few inches off the mat, make a fist. Open the hands. Play the fingers, stretch the arms. Exhale, drop. Take the shoulders to the ears. Pull them down towards your feet and lift them up to the ceiling. Exhale, release. Inhale and squeeze the facial muscle. Make one-pointed lemony face. And release. Now open your mouth, take your tongue out, open the eyes wide, stretching all the facial muscles. Exhale, release. Gently turn the head to the right, touching the right ear to the ground. To the left. Once again, spending the same amount of time there also. And back to the center. And let go. Now make any final adjustment to the body if you need to, but try to remain still for the next 5 minutes, focusing your mind on your relaxation. Give yourself the suggestion, take your breath to the part you want to relax, and while exhaling, relax. Now bring your awareness back to the body. Externalize the mind. Wake up the body parts. Wiggle the fingers and the toes. Slowly slide the feet together. Inhale, stretch your arms up over above the head, interlocking the fingers. Give your body a final gentle stretch of the session. And now gently sit up. Sit in a comfortable posture with your back straight, shoulders face relaxed completely. Keep your both hands and chin on your knees. Inhale deeply. त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदा पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ओम बोलो सद्गुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय। ओम बोलो स्वामी विष्णुदेवानंद महाराज की जय। हरि ओम तत्सत।